I'm going to use this inspiration today, a conversation I've just had where we were talking about stress and the stress response. And there's three parts to that stress response. So, well, there's three possible options when we're in the stress response. We're either fight, flight, or freeze. And we all tend to have physiologically a kind of our go-to, you know, we're either somebody that's wired to be kind of restless and jittery and kind of on the running away, the flight component of that, or we're kind of coiled and we're tense and we're ready to fight. That can kind of be the dominant trend for us. Or we could be the freeze, you know, we numb out, we almost stop feeling. And we have all three of those things present when we're experiencing stress. And for a lot of us at the moment, that's, you know, although the last year, that's been an almost constant thing. And the downside when we get stuck in that is that obviously when we then want to relax, we get to the down periods, we're too restless, we're too tense, we're too holding too tight, or we just can't feel anything. And so we don't get that counter experience of joyfulness, gratitude, being able to enjoy life, enjoy simple moments. God, can you hear that? Is it a crow? They wake me up in the morning, those things. And so in this practice today, what we'll do is, and this is something that I just did with somebody who joined me just now, is that we'll explore for you, what's your default? So what does it feel like for you in your body with fight, flight, freeze? So we'll just explore, where are you feeling the restlessness? Which parts of your body are feeling restlessness? Which parts of your body are feeling coiled and tight? And which parts of your body are numb? And from that awareness, we start to just get a sense of, well, what's my tendency? Maybe you see it play out in your life. So if your tendency is the restlessness, maybe you struggle to be in the moment you're in. Maybe you're always looking for the next thing that needs to get done. If you're in that fight, if your fight is your default, maybe you're always kind of, things become tense. Maybe you get into kind of outbursts with people. Maybe your relationships can sometimes be a bit fiery because or you're holding it in, and so there's almost an inner tension. Or maybe you just maybe you're just not feeling anything in your day. So feeling this in our practice now will mean that we can start to notice how it's playing out in our eyes open life, and from there we get to choose whether we stay there or not. So if it's serving you and being that place, so if you're not safe, if you are in a difficult situation, if you are having to, maybe sometimes it serves you to be there. But if it's not serving you, can you shift it by being aware of it without trying to force it to go? So that's what we'll do, is we'll explore it and we'll dissolve it, and then hopefully be ready to experience the rest of our day with a little bit more awareness, a little bit more self-compassion, and a little bit more ease, which would be nice, wouldn't it? So we'll let the birds sing along with us, and we'll just gently close down our eyes. And just for a moment, allow your body to settle. Whatever's been happening for you right now, good, bad, indifferent, it's all in the past. Right now in this moment, we're just taking some time. So tuning into your body, just notice where in your body you feel restless. Is there somewhere that feels like it doesn't want to be still right now? Can you feel it? Maybe the arms and the legs. Maybe it's your shoulders, your belly. Maybe it's your whole body. Is there a sense of restlessness? That it feels uncomfortable to be still? Just allow that experience of that restlessness. Just see if you can really dial into it and really feel it, so that you're just getting a full sense of what it feels like to be in that restless space. And now feeling in your body for the tension. So where are you holding on? Are your fists, your fingers curled up? Are your toes pushing down into the floor? Are you clenching your buttocks, your thighs? Are your arms clamped against your side? Are your eyes squinting? Your jaw tense and locked? Are your shoulders hunched forwards? Just notice any areas where you're feeling that tightness. Maybe you're holding on. Without trying to make it go, just feel it. Just allow yourself to really feel it. And then where are you feeling numb right now? Where are you not feeling anything? As you scan your body in your mind, are there gaps where you almost don't feel anything? Maybe it's your whole body. Maybe your whole body feels kind of numb, heavy. And from this place of awareness, we'll begin to breathe into each of those sensations. So breathing in through your nose, just allowing the air to find those restless places. Those places that don't want to be still. Allowing the breath to be soothing. Calming that sense of needing to move. As you breathe out, allowing that soothing to settle into your body, into every cell. Breathing in to soothe the restlessness. Breathing out to let it soften. Into every cell of your body. And now those areas of tension, those areas that are ready to fight and take action, breathing into those, softening and releasing, putting down the need to fight. Breathing in to soften and breathing out to allow it to settle. Feeling the jaw unclench, the face soften, the shoulders fall away from the ears, the chest open, everything letting go. There's no need to be holding on or tense right now in this moment. And then finally into that numbness, we're going to breathe in and bring it alive. So those parts of you that are not feeling anything, we'll bring them alive, but not with the restlessness. We'll bring them alive with a gentle tingling, an alertness to joy that doesn't need to take action or move, but just is alive, whatever that means for you. So inhaling to all of the numb places, all of the places that you've zoned out, drifted away from and abandoned. Letting them come alive. And as you exhale, Feeling that aliveness spreading through your whole body. Inhaling and exhaling. Releasing the need to run. Releasing the need to do battle. Releasing the need to escape, to numb. Breathing in, soften and soothe. Breathing out to release. Letting your awareness stay with your breath as it helps you to anchor, to keep your attention here in this moment, watching the breath rise and fall. Coming back when you get distracted, softening and soothing. Soothing as you breathe in, softening as you breathe out. Take 5 slow deep breaths now to really amplify that message to the nervous system that it's time to release and let go. So we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through the nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then one final inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Letting the breath find its natural rhythm. Inhaling and exhaling. No control or effort now. Just allowing. And gently returning movement to the fingers and the toes. Opening the eyes and just taking some movement in the shoulders and the neck. Just noticing if it feels different in your body. There's no need for it to feel different, even if we don't feel that we've shifted things. When we do this process, when we close our eyes for this time, we are creating a change. And sometimes it can percolate for a while afterwards. And actually it's maybe half an hour's time, an hour's time. Suddenly that load you've been carrying, that stress load, just doesn't feel quite so heavy. So let it happen.